Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Hyderabadi Food Flavors. Today I am making mutton korma. This is one of the popular dish in Hyderabad, India. Before we begin, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. So let's see how we make mutton korma. Potatoes for korma. I have taken small potatoes that is washed once, and I will peel off its skin also, and I have cut them into halves. If you are taking big potatoes, you can make them in 4 parts. If you are taking big size potatoes, you can cut them into 4. I will wash them and fry them in a pan. To shallow fry the potatoes, I will just add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Let it warm the oil, then add the potatoes. Now we will fry this until it turns brown. The potatoes are pretty much done now. They are quite good brown. Now we will keep them aside. Now for the mutton korma gravy, you need the spices that are coconut, 4 tablespoons of coconut, put it in a pan and roast it. You can always add or reduce the spices as you want. See, now the coconut is done, it is roasted well. I will remove this now. The second ingredient we need is peanuts. I am roasting the peanuts also. 4 tablespoons of peanuts. Roast it and peel off its skin. I have peeled off the peanuts. Now I will blend them in a blender in a fine paste. To begin making our mutton korma, we have already done the prep. We have blended the coconut and roasted coconut and peanuts in a fine paste. I have sliced 1 big onion, thinly sliced. This size of onion I have thinly sliced, and this is 1 kg of mutton. This is with bones. You can take boneless also. And this is fried potatoes. Now let's begin the cooking. In a pot, pour 1/4 cup of cooking oil. Let it warm. Then add sliced onion. Fry these onions until golden brown. Now the onions are dark golden brown. I will take out some and keep it in a plate for later use in the curry. Now add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and cook it until it's brown. Ginger garlic paste is turned brown. Now add the coconut and peanuts paste. Then add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Now cook this until the oil separates and keep moving the spoon in the pot. So it will not. Oil is starting to separate. At this point, add the mutton. Mix it and cook it for another 5 minutes. Mutton is very well mixed in the spices now. Add 1 cup of whisked plain yogurt. Mix it well. After adding yogurt, cook the curry for 5 minutes on high flame. So all the water from the yogurt dries up. Oil is separating in the korma for the second time now. See? Now add half bunch of chopped coriander, half bunch of chopped mint, then add 2 cups of water. This water will reduce until the mutton gets tender. Now keep this on medium heat for 20 minutes. Cover the pot and keep on medium flame for after 20 to 25 minutes. The water is reduced to half in the korma and the mutton is also almost tendered. See, now I will add 4 green chilies, slit them and also add the fried onions that we kept aside. Crush the onions that we fried and add in the korma, and also 1 big lemon juice and the fried potatoes. Now again cook this korma for 10 minutes more, so the mutton and potatoes will all tender. Cook on the medium flame. I have cooked these potatoes for 20 minutes now on medium flame. Now this is ready. I will turn off the flame. Then I will add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Let's dish out this korma. Mutton korma is dished out now. This can be served with naan bread, plain rice or bagara rice. If you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.